Do you have hooded eyes that turn straight down at the outer corners? Do you feel like you've watched every single video on the best way to apply eyeshadow for your eye shape, but you don't want to use Scotch tape, and you've given up on liquid eyeliner because it's always a struggle and never ends up looking right anyway? If that's you, but you still want to wear eyeshadow and achieve a flattering, lifted look, this is the video for you. You're going to start by priming your eyelids with a little eyeshadow primer or concealer to neutralize the skin on the lids. And you're going to blend that from your lash line all the way up to the brow bone, from inner corner to outer corner. Then, taking a large fluffy crease brush, you're going to take a little bit of powder, either loose or pressed, and just use that to set the cream product you've just laid down. With this method, you're definitely going to want to do your eyeshadow first before foundation or under eye concealer, and you're about to see why. Then, using the eyeshadow palette of your choice, you're going to use a mid-tone shade and a mid-size crease brush, starting at the outer corner, and you're going to blend into the crease, allowing the eyeshadow to fall well below the outer corner of your eye. And once you've packed the most color to the outer corners of the lids, you're going to take what's left on the brush and blend that into the crease, always looking straight ahead into your mirror. And then you just want to blend, blend, blend in little circles, going back and forth in a windshield wiper motion. And then you just continue to build, making sure, once again, that that outer corner has the most depth of color. Next, you're going to take a smaller crease brush and go into one shade deeper than your previous eyeshadow and really focus that on the very outer edge of the lid. Again, making sure to get a lot of that pigment over the fold and even below it. Don't be afraid to make a mess. I started using this method out of sheer frustration. And once you let go of the idea that you can't make a mess, it's very freeing. If you don't have eyeshadow falling below your lower lash line, you've not done this method correctly. Now I'm just taking my finger and packing a shimmer shade onto my mobile eyelid, but you can use a matte eyeshadow if you'd like. Now this part is optional, but if you want to add just a little bit more definition to the lash line, grab an angled brush and a dark brown eyeshadow and press that along the lash line right at the base of the lashes. And then once again, you're going to take that pigment down below the lower lashes. It's going to look weird and feel weird, but I promise you it's going to work out beautifully. Once you've laid down all of your eyeshadows, you're going to take a Q-tip with a little eye makeup remover or micellar water. I personally like to use a pointed Q-tip, but I just happened to have run out right before I made this video. So you're going to take the Q-tip from the inner corner of the eye and run it along the entirety of the lower lash line, removing any of that fallout. And then you're going to angle the Q-tip up towards your temple. You're basically getting the same result you would get if you use tape, but without having to put anything sticky on your delicate eye area. After that, you're just going to curl your lashes, apply mascara, and the rest of your makeup, and voila! Perfect eyeshadow every time. This method is super easy and is going to save you from a lot of stress when applying your eye makeup. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for new videos 2 to 3 times per week.